I started singing from an early age, like to a point where I sing at church as well, like Seventh-day Adventist. I also sang at school. Um, until I just decided one time that I should actually just start making beats, and also slowly but surely went into commercial music.
You're here, rain is gone, sky begins to clear when you're here.
My memory sucks, man. Like that's all I can say. My memory sucks. But I remember, I know we used to gather around, like especially during Christmas and New Year's, and we just play games and sometimes sing. It was a lot happier, I think, than now. Not that nowadays it's not happier, but it was more interactive, like hostile, like without your constant checking on your WhatsApps and your Twitter and everything. So it was really, you could keep in touch. I remember singing at some point during Christmas. Yeah, I think I remember. Yeah, I hope. But yeah, I remember singing during one Christmas.
I'm so glad that finally it seems clear. Been too long. Things have changed, and I will never be the same again. Turn a new page. I don't think I've ever told her though, and that she seems to clear my.
I shifted my music to more of a R&B, soulful house feel. But I mean, singing at home and like just singing carols, the choir, it's I think also that was part of the influence. But the music I would also say I got from my dad, because apparently, I mean I was young obviously, so apparently he used to play guitar and yeah, just entertain.
So you like this one? Pray God you can come. I stand outside this woman's world, this woman's world. Ooh, it's hard on me. Now his part is over, and now stands the ground of the Father. I know you got a lot of life in you, yeah.
I have a wife and kids. I mean, I have to be honest, like I have a really supportive family. Like my wife really supports me. It's not easy at times because I mean, sometimes there's gigs, sometimes there's no gigs, sometimes she has to deal with my coming home and disappointed, and obviously I'm not that happy as I was probably 2 weeks before, but yeah man, it's a blessing to have them in my life. And my kids as well, I'm slowly teaching them how to play piano. Not all of them like piano, but I mean, I'm trying my best. And one thing that I never knew is that they actually know my songs. Every time I hear them singing, like for example, Just Got to Find You, I'm like, wow, they actually know my songs.
Yeah.
But yeah, finally my stuff is around. Like,
Okay.
It's available. I just need to mix and just get the stuff out there. Outside music. I mean, I'm a producer as well. Like, I'm not just an artist. So I've recently started working with a few artists. Just to record them, compose music for them, do a bit of studio mentoring. There's a lot musically that I do. Not as an artist, but other than that, I'm just an IT support specialist and businessman. There's a lot that I'm trying to see because you can't really rely on just one. It's an R&B EP. I'm working on it. It's done. It's just a bit of studio, much not R&B EP is done. It just needs to be mastered. Because I started with house, but I never really liked house music that much. So this is the R&B side.
Cause I really want to try one more time. Ooh, babe. Let's go.
That was mad.